With 1,000 Ghana cedi or 500 Ghana cedi, you can order these things from China straight to China to Ghana. And I'm going to show you how to order things from China from 1688 app, and it will help you a lot. So these are the things that you can order, whether phone case, whether phone, you can order something like sanitary pad, you can order something like a slippers, you can set slipper and children's clothes and all these things. So without wasting my time, follow me and let me show you the step by step how to order things from China from 18688 app. Follow me, let's go. So have you seen, when you go into the app you see my has been changed to the US dollars. So there's US dollar. Have you seen my notification, my cart? My cart is where you select your tenancy to be there so that you will look into it and pick what you want to do. And my empty is here, press here. Have you seen there is Angola flag here? So here, when you see the country, so the country, I'm going to select my country so that it will come to Ghana City. So you go through all the country in this one. Sorry, GM. So Ghana is here, and my language, the currency, I want Ghana City. So all my things, other things that I will go home. So you will see the items are into cities. So have you seen it? So wait, your 500 Ghana City, 1,000 Ghana cedi, you can order a lot of things. So let's pick something like mobile phone chargers and co. Obviously, the mobile case. So go here and you press here. I say, okay, mobile phone case, phone case, cases. If I'm right, and the back is how they spell it. So wait, and you'll pick it. So you have to have patience. The network is very bad. So here I forgot my password, so they gave me another chance to reconnect my password. So I've done everything. So let's bring next and see what another one. So I forgot it, so they made me to change every single thing. Okay, make me to change, use another email. So now you go to, when you enter, you have to register your name. So Rebecca, the last name. Your last name that is there, you have to fill everything that they will give it to you. My number. So my number. So I'll go to Madagascar, Ghana. Please, are you following me? Please follow me. Or finish right now. So there's Ghana. So I'll enter 05 and 9. So have you seen that I've already registered? Yes, I've registered. So now I've entered into it. You don't worry. Everything. Oh, you go to another website that I'm going to. So have you seen that I changed everything to city? So it will help you, enable you to able to buy what you want to. So let's go to something like mobile cases. So this is the mobile cases. Um, the case. Have you seen 22 CD? This is for iPhone. Have you seen the 2 CD? We have 2 CD here. Have you seen? We have 7 CD here. We have 8 CD here. So I'm just showing you, you have 8 CD here. So we have 18 CD, that's the big one. Have you seen all these things? All these things. I'm showing you for example, let's go to uh let's say that you want ladies slippers, okay? Ladies slippers. I don't know how to slip slippers. Okay. Let's go into. So this is the app that you get everything, like, oh, it's direct factory. So whatever that you're seeing is direct factory. So have you seen that 12 city? Have you seen 12 city, 15 city? If for pregnancy women. So this one also you can go and talk about 14 city pregnant people. Pregnant people. No, a lot of things. 11 city. Have you seen this? This one is so nice. 5 city. So look at the 9 city. That is 10 city. So the 10 city, when you press on it, you will get it here. Have you seen? You will see it very clearly. So these are the pictures. It doesn't do anything. And I want to do something. Have you seen to add cards? So you come here. When you come here, look at something. When you want to buy less than one, that if you want to buy two going, it is 6 cedi. Have you seen? So you can add it to the cart. You come here and you press two or many that you want, and you add it to your cart, and you go to another one. You go to another one. I want to show you some things. You have 18 cedi. All these things. Have you seen? This one is 7 cedi. This slippers is 7 cedi. Let's go to shoes. Lady shoes. I'm just showing you something for you to understand. Lady shoes. Have you seen? Look at the lady shoe. This is a quality version. A quality version. Have you seen? The sun slipper, or the shoes that they sell, the high heels. We have 9 cedi here. Have you seen? We have 38. Have you 16? This one is 16 cedi. The network is very bad. Have you seen 16 cedi? Oh? We have different colors. Different colors. Have you seen? Look at this one. This nice shoe. 56 cedi. 56 cedi. Just show you. Look at this slipper. This high heel. It is 50 cedi. The high heel is 50 cedi. Have you seen it? Have you seen? So if you want to add this, you come here. I'm showing you what that can do for you. I want to show you something for mobile phone. Mobile phone. Look at the prices of mobile phone. So any kind of things that it will shock you to think that it's never true. But these phones are this, because all the phones that we see, they are from China. If you like it or not, because their main sources from China. Get it? Look at the iPhone. Look at 360. This. Look at it. Look at the prices that I'm showing you here. I'm just give you a tips of it. Look at laptop. If you want a laptop, you come here. So laptop, you have 1,000 something, 300 cedi. Sorry, 3,000. You have 800. And don't think that it's never true. All these things are rare. So any kind of things that you're looking for to import from China, here is the source. Everything that you see. Let's go to cooking utensils, cookie pot. I'm just showing you so that you see the prices. So all this is 700. That's 800 cedi. This is 300 something. That's 350. This. Look at it. Have you seen this? So this is it. When you want to go to a fridge or freezer, just showing you some things. Fridge. Look at it. Have you seen the mini one? This is why they put it. Obviously, if you want any kind of ring, 3,000 something. Hmm. So if you want something for yourself, have you seen this one? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Mm-hmm. I'm just showing you. So when you come here, have you seen all these things? You come here. So let's say I pick something like that. This freezer, this commercial. So if you want to start cold store and you're looking for freezer and you hear the freezer is so, just come here. I will say, so let's say that I have picked this one, just one. And it's very big. You come to checkout. And when you press checkout, everything that you have just selected will come here. Obviously, they will come here. And when they come here, you will select what you want. And they will give you the total. So let's say that I've selected this one. Have you seen 1,511 city? Have you seen the total? Let me press this one to it. 1,560 city. It's not up to 2,000. The freezer, the big one that I'm talking about. The big one. And you submit it. When you submit it, I'm going to tell you what to do next. After you have seen all this that I've told you about it, these are the things that you're going to do to let you to get your things from China to Ghana here. And I am so also somebody that have ordered things from China from this source that I'm sharing with you. So I will put the person there. The China people, that's 1688. They have their agents in Ghana, based in Ghana, that when you select things from there, they are going to pick it straight from China and they'll bring it to you. So what they will do is that you pay your bills, everything on the apps from to them. And when it gets to here, your shipping fee, you pay it whether to the apps or to the people when your thing gets here. And mind you, whatever that you pick, when it comes to Ghana and it is not the right thing, they will send it back and bring the new one or whatever that you have ordered from China to Ghana. So here is what I'm going to give you. They are 1688 tech Ghana. 168 dot tech Ghana. They are in Ghana right now. And I'm going to put their contact, the lady's contact on the description below. So check on the description below and make use to it. When you call the number, say Rebecca. Rebecca told me that I should come to you and you help me to order things from China to Ghana. Rebecca told me that say this one. My name is Rebecca and I'm a content creator. So that he said that I found a video on YouTube and the person said that I should call you. Her name is Rebecca and he will take you through to where that you get your things from China to Ghana. Thank you so much. If this video was useful to you, please don't be stingy. Like, comment, and when your things arrive in Ghana, please call me to other things and give me a gift to it. Thank you. My name is Rebecca and see you on my next video.